Hello, welcome to our Friday session of Mrs. Hewitt's Spelling at Home. This is the Key Stage 2 session, so we're looking at word study. Today's root morpheme is a free morpheme, which means it's also a word by itself. And when we unpick it, you'll actually see that it is, you could break it down into two separate morphemes as well. So our root today is expect, okay? And that obviously is a word that we use in English when we say we expect something to happen. But if we just look at where it came from, it's from the Latin expectare, which means to await, to wait for. But you can see there it's made up of ex, meaning thoroughly or a lot, and then the pect actually came from spectare, meaning to look. So actually, if you expect something, it's like you're looking out for it or you're looking really hard for it. So we have got expect, and you can see there would have been an S there that belonged to the spect, but because we've got the X sound, that S has disappeared over time. So we've got expect from X and spectare. So that is where expect comes from. Isn't that so interesting? Okay, I'm going to show you the word grid. Build your words. So you pause the video and put it up and see which words you can build, and then we'll have a look through them together. Okay, so there is your grid. Okay, let's see which words you've built. Now again, there's not really many words because I think the interesting bit is the bit that we've done already about the expect coming from ex and spect. But we'll talk about expected anyway. So we've got expects, so that's just your verb. Talking about he expects or she expects something. We've got expected, so we've got the past tense there. Because this doesn't end in a vowel, we haven't got to cross anything out. We can just add that ed on. Now, if we've got expected, we've also got here unexpected, where un means not, okay? So unexpected, like an unexpected guest, would mean someone appeared who you weren't expecting to come. It'd be like a surprise, okay? So unexpected is quite a nice word to use in your story writing when you want to give a sense that a character, something happens that they're not expecting, you know, unexpectedly appeared from somewhere, or it's quite a nice word to use in your suspense writing. We've got expectance, so that's the noun if it's you know, talking about waiting for something. Expectation, you must live up to my expectations. So if I'm expecting something of you, that is my expectation. My expectation is that you do your writing really well, okay, and you learn your spellings. But we've got, so expectation, pop this one in because it's got my favourite shun there. Expect, remember if it's a shun, it's going to be a T because we've got 8 and ION. So we drop that E of the 8, and then we've got the shun there, expectation. And I've popped at the end there, unexpectedly. Like I was just saying, that could be a good adverb to describe how someone was, maybe someone says something unexpectedly, or they jumped unexpectedly because they weren't expecting something to happen. So again, good for your suspense writing. And that's quite a simple, unexpected, and then ly, the ly for the adverb. Okay, so again, quite a simple grid today. You can go and write a couple of sentences if you can. So maybe try and use unexpected, try and use expectation because it's got that shun in, and that's the one that we need to practice lots. So have a go at writing your sentences, and then you're done. Have a smashing weekend, and I'll see you back next week. Bye.